So one-sided loading with our squat helps with core engagement and working on alignment of still being able to maintain midline while having a asymmetrical load. So you're going to inhale here as you slowly lower down, being thoughtful that you're not shifting or swaying in the process, and then exhale to drive up tall. So again, inhale to lower, exhale to drive tall. So forearm plank with in and out taps. So you're going to inhale here, exhale, reach one foot out, and then drop it back in. Exhale, move the other leg out, bring it back to center. As you tap out, be thoughtful that the rest of your body stays nice and long, that you're not letting your hips dip or move in the process. Just bring the foot out as far as you can to maintain that nice long spine. And as you get stronger, you can increase the range that you move your foot through. So dynamic lateral lunge, you're gonna inhale here, exhale, sit back. Inhale there, exhale, press up to return. So again, exhale, inhale, exhale to power back up. Progression to this, you're gonna keep the bottom knee bent. As you exhale, you're going to float that knee up to touch your chair. Inhale to lower it back down, exhale to press back up. Again, you should feel an increased challenge on this inner thigh that's stabilizing you as well as this oblique. Exhaling as you lift, inhale to lower back down. So kettlebell alternating swing combines a little bit more of a dynamic movement with your lunge. So as you lower, you're gonna switch that weight into the opposite hand, making sure that your torso stays vertical and that your body doesn't sway side to side, having to counterbalance the weight that's being transferred to each arm.